Hey everyone, Steve here from Mystery 3D. I've had a few requests asking how our custom 3D printed anchors work. So today I'm going to show you how to install these screw anchors designed specifically for lifetime sheds. These anchors are a strong, reliable replacement for the original FEX part, and they install in just a few simple steps, much like the original part. Let's get started. You have the option of purchasing these replacement parts in sets of 12, 25, or 50. I'm now adding the option to include screws on sets of 25 and 50. Since the sheds that are built with these pieces use dozens of them, you may want to think about both current and future needs when ordering. Let's get into the steps. First, you're going to locate the slot where the original anchor was installed. It's usually along the base or corner, depending on your shed model. Make sure the area isn't cracked, deformed, or excessively damaged. This part needs a snug fit. Now you'll take the anchor and insert the split end first into the cavity. Push firmly into the anchor so that it is fully seated. It should sit flush or slightly recessed. If your shed isn't damaged, it'll slide in without any issues. Next, position your shed part over the anchor. It should align so the screw hole in the shed lines up with the hole in the anchor. The hole is what gives the anchor its strength. It grips from the inside. Now take your screw or one of the provided screws and drive it through the shed part and into the anchor. The anchor will begin to flare out as you screw the screw through it, creating a tight grip on the shed. And that's it. Your screw anchor is now locked in place and your shed is more secure. These anchors are tough, weather resistant, and made to last. If you still have any questions or need a custom part that I currently do not provide, you can send me a message. I'll be glad to help. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more 3D printed solutions. You can order your own set of anchors at shopmystery3d.com or check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.